Splash Mountain has to be by far my favorite ride. When they made the announcement they were going to change it, I feel like I kind of ignored it. I didn't want to believe it was happening, and it happened. And there's nothing we can do about change other than to embrace it. I didn't think I was gonna cry, but I actually am. So I recently watched a Boy Meets World episode when they went to Disney World in 1996, and it reminded me of Splash Mountain. But when I saw it in the episode of Boy Meets World, it kind of hit something in me. It made me realize I didn't really process it. When I was at Disney World in 2022, I did get a chance to ride Splash Mountain before it closed. I went again to the parks in 2023, and Splash Mountain was still down to be reimagined into Tiana's Bayou. So I didn't experience Tiana's Bayou yet. I will. My next trip to Disney World or Disneyland, I will. But I want to watch a ride through specifically of the Disneyland version of Splash Mountain because technically the very first Disney park I went to was Disneyland a long time ago in the year 2000. And I fell in love with this ride then. I fell in love with a lot of the Disney rides on that trip, but this was especially a big one for me. So I'm gonna watch it. I'm gonna experience it this way. I know I can never return to Disneyland in California and go on Splash Mountain again. I know I can't go to Disney World in Florida and go on Splash Mountain again. I get it. It will never be a possibility. But to experience it like this with all of you, I feel like I need to do it. I need to process that. I won't ride this ever again. Like, yeah, the drop's still gonna be the same, but is it gonna be the same? Like, even these characters are gone. These guys outside, they'd be gone, wouldn't they? Like, where would they go? Would they be moved somewhere else in the parks? Probably not. Look at the detail on these. God, even just this music, this sound, like just going on the ride and hearing da 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 da, and that's not gonna be a thing anymore? What do you mean? No one's ever gonna tell me to have a zippity doo-dah ride? What the hell? Oh, that's a little rabbit's house. It's just the detail on this ride too. Like, we haven't even gone inside. Like, technically we're just climbing up and up and up the mountain at this point. But look at the little rabbit's house. It's so cute. Oh no, and the fox's house is right there. Not cool. Oh, right, like right beside you at this point. It's like, that's what's coming. Better be ready for it. Because you don't really have a choice. Slip and falls. Let's go. Oh, I could just like feel it. Just the little mist of the water here. Okay, well, it's more than a mist, but it gets misty too. Oh my god. Look at the little pumpkin, so cute. Oh my gosh. Why did they cut it? I want to hear it all. Aww. I remember being at this part in the ride. If you look up, you can see like all the lighting and stuff like that. It's so cool. You got to be able to see these scenes at so many different angles, right? And they just the magic, the Imagineers, they're just incredible at what they do. What they did. God, when did this ride open? Really did a phenomenal job. Oh, the rabbit. Wait, is there like bats or something up there? There's like bats up there, right? You can barely see them. Little gator there. Oh, it's so cute. Does it say no frowning allowed? No time for. See, I love this part here too because you're looking at the butt. You're like, oh, that's silly. That's funny. Like a bear's butt stuck in the tree. Haha, funny, funny. And so many people, especially if you haven't ridden this ride before, well, you'll never experience this if you haven't experienced it. But so many people would be focused on this scene and they don't realize, like, we're going to go down, like right here. See, like so many people in that log were so thrown off there. And like, I don't know if that drop feels more intense because you're distracted by something else or because it's really dark, but it's, oh, that part is so well done. Now we're at the laughing place. This is like where anybody wants to go in life. You just want to be happy. You just want to be laughing. You just want to be having fun. See, everybody has a laughing place. Oh, well, that's maybe not the laughing place getting stuck in honey, but... Alright, this is where shit gets really depressing really fast. Like, we go from, like, having a fun time to, like, everyone's gonna die. Why did I love this so much? We can't turn around. The vultures are just warning us. Oh, and then again, like, their focus here is on the vultures. They're telling a story. They're telling, like, something's bad is gonna happen. Like, you need to get out. But they mock you, too. Like, he literally just said, if only you could.
Everybody's got a laughing place. Maybe this one is yours. And wait till you see that old Brer Rabbit. He sure ain't laughing no more. If you finally found your...
That's so cool. I could just sit there for like an hour and just like listen to them on repeat. Hey, get your hands out, you little... Oh my god, some people are just... Don't do that. Don't ever do that. In no circumstance, if you're in any ride at any theme park, anywhere in the world, do not put your hand outside of the ride cart. Like, that's just so stupid. Oh my god, and what goes up must go down. The Matterhorn. Let's go. Cheese. Did it take a picture of us? I'm sure it did. I thought we'd see a flash. Oh my god. I love this. I love this so much. I love this ride so much. And we're not even done. We're not even done because it's like the best part. I don't know if this is the best part or there's like so many other parts that are the best part, but like this is like... I would love getting like stuck in this part, like, you know, the logs get backed up and you're like stuck there longer, so you have to listen to it longer. Oh my god. I'm like getting so teary-eyed right now. Like, I can't deal with the fact that I can't go back here. Like, I can't deal with that. But I get it, you gotta deal with change, but like I can't think of a single Disney trip that I wouldn't have gone on Splash Mountain. Like, even if it was cold out or if it was already rainy, like, I would still go on Splash Mountain. I love Splash Mountain. It's one of my favorite rides. Oh my god, this is so cute. They're like welcoming us in. How can this be changed? How? Why? Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-day. Wonderful day. Ah, zippity day. Wonderful day. Oh my god. It's just so fun. It's just such a fun ride. Like, you can't go on this ride and not be happy. What the heckers? It's like home sweet home. That's not his home anymore. Where is he? I didn't think I was gonna cry, but I actually... That broke me. The home sweet home sign broke me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, like, I didn't expect to actually cry. I felt really emotional, like, about to watch that. I felt emotional watching the whole video, but, like, seeing this home sweet home sign, like, that really got me. I need to know where are all these animatronics now? Where are all these scenes? Where is home sweet home sign? They changed Splash Mountain in Disneyland, California, and they changed Splash Mountain in Disney World in Orlando. There was a lot of animatronics that I feel like they're now missing. It's like, where is Buzz all over again? But that was quite the experience. I'm just gonna leave it at that. I mean, if you watch this far in the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. All your support really means a lot. My passion is the Disney and Universal parks. I love them so much. They are so near dear to my heart, and they've really got me through a lot in life and continue to get me through a lot in life, and they're basically at this point like what I live for. So I really appreciate all the support here, and thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and take it easy.